Welcome back to Faraday's Winners channel. Today we are going to continue our questions on induction motor. So the question states that a three-phase induction motor is wound for 6 poles. First of all, we need our data, and then the number of poles is actually equal to 6, right? 50 hertz. Now the question says we should calculate the synchronous speed, which is what? Ns. And it's given by 120 f over what? Over 60. So here we are going to get 120. The frequency is what? 50, right? Divided by what? 60. Please. Divided by, so the synchronous speed. Then is given by what? 120 f over what? Over p, which is equal to 120. F is given as what? 50, which is the frequency. The number of poles is what? 6, which will give us a corresponding what? Synchronous speed to be equal to 1000 what? RPM. Okay. So that is A. Or I, sorry. So let's look at II. II state that we should find the what? The rotor speed when the slip is 5%, right? So the slip is 5%, which is the same as 5 divided by 100. That's giving us what? 0.105. Okay. So the question says we should find what? The rotor speed. So we can say the rotor speed is giving us what? The synchronous speed, right? 1 minus the slip. That will be equal to 1000, right? Multiplied by 1 minus the slip is 0.05. It means that our speed will be equal to 950 RPM. Okay, 950 RPM. So let's move to III. The question says we find the frequency of the rotor current at standstill. We know that the frequency of the rotor current is given by the slip times the actual frequency, right? But at standstill, the slip is equal to 1, right? We are going to get 1 times the actual frequency, which is what? 50. So this one will give us that frequency to be equal to what? 50 hertz. Okay, thank you. Now let's move on to the IV. Okay, IV states that the rotor frequency when the what? The rotor runs at a speed. So the speed given R is equal to what? 960 what? RPM. So we are to determine that frequency at that particular point, right? So we know that what? The frequency at that point is given as the slip times the actual frequency, right? But we don't know the slip at this particular what? Speed. So let's look for that. So the slip is given by what? The speed of the stator, or the synchronous speed minus the rotor speed, all divided by what? The stator speed or the synchronous speed. And that will give us what? 1000 minus what? 960. Okay. Divided by 1000. Okay. So this one will give us a corresponding slip to be equal to 0.04. Okay. So it means that what? Our frequency, right, will be equal to the slip, which is 0.04 times the speed or the synchronous speed. Sorry, it means that our frequency will be equal to 0.04 times the frequency. Here the frequency was actually 50. Okay, so this one will give us the corresponding value of what? 2 hertz. Okay, thank you very much.